Righto, as the sun starts heading down, something that I thought might just be mildly interesting for people is how we've done a little bit of a herb garden here. That's the back steps of the house there. So we've got some lavender, some French tarragon, oregano, sage, who's taken off and doing really, really well, a thyme who is sort of struggling along a little bit. Some chives here strangely haven't done very well at all, so I'm not sure what's happened there, whether they got a little bit dry. Now this one, I'll show you the name of it up here. It's an Aussie Scaevola. There it is. And the idea of that is just putting it in here to attract pollinators into the backyard. A Majorum plant is doing okay by and large. The rosemary feeling pretty healthy, looking pretty healthy. Some chamomile. Another flowering plant to attract bees and pollinators. Some chives that are doing okay, or at least starting to. Now we've got a dill here, and the sign says over here cilantro, but it's a coriander if you're in Australia and a cilantro if you're in the US. The interesting thing with the cilantro and the dill, and I promised myself I wouldn't really sort of go into the house, but just on this occasion we'll go in and just have a real quick look. I'm not going to show you the house itself. They were transplanted out of that. So that's a little hydroponic thing. I don't want to disturb anybody in the house, so we'll just leave that alone. And I sort of made a bit of a rule for myself that I wouldn't shoot inside of the house most of the time. Anyway, we bought those couple of hydroponic setups. I think one came in the garage. We got one at a garage sale and then like playing with it, so we bought the other one. I think off eBay. So great little things to play with, and I'm really surprised that the dill and the coriander are doing so well out in the open. So depending on how things go, I might buy. I might use them to grow seeds. Another one of my eBay purchases, Temu purchases. This is what the bottom of the hydroponic unit inside looks like. These little things. You drop almost like a foam plug down into here. Fill that part with water, and away we go. So I'm going to try, depending on how that goes with the cilantro and the dill, we might do a little bit more of this. And the reason the reason it says cilantro on that little tag is I bought a bunch of those herb tags off Temu, and that was what came in there. Anyway, the experiment continues. Have a good one. I'll see you next time around.